Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, I'll be unboxing Gucci eyeglasses model GG0532ON. The glasses come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary. Inside, the Gucci eyeglasses, a Gucci envelope, which holds a Gucci card of authenticity, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Carry. Inside the case is also a Gucci dust bag with the Gucci logo on it and a white Gucci cleaning cloth. The glasses are held in a protective bag. The color of the frame is black, and these glasses are a square shape. On its temples, you'll find the GG Gucci emblems on both sides. On its inner right temple, you'll find the Gucci logo, that it's made in Italy, and the serial number. On its inner left temple, find the model number, which is GG0532ON, the color code, which is 001, and the dimensions of the frame. 54 is for its lens, 14 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. Thank you for watching, and have a joyful day.